Courage in Stoicism isn't reckless bravery, but moral fortitude, doing what's right despite difficulty. In sustainable design, courage manifests as proposing unconventional solutions that challenge the status quo. It's advocating for long term ecological thinking despite short term economic pressures. Courage means standing firm on ethical principles when clients or stakeholders push for compromise on sustainability features to cut costs. It involves taking calculated risks to advance sustainability innovation when safer, conventional approaches would be easier. Perhaps most importantly, courage includes acknowledging mistakes when our designs don't perform as sustainably as intended, and changing course rather than defending flawed approaches, what we might call intellectual courage. A powerful example of courage in sustainable design is Ray Anderson's transformation of interface carpet. In 1994, after reading Paul Hawken's book, The Ecology of Commerce, Anderson experienced what he would later call a spear in the chest moment about his company's environmental impact. Despite significant business risks, he committed Interface to Mission Zero, eliminating negative environmental impacts by 2020. This required courage to completely rethink established manufacturing processes, invest in unproven technologies, and transparently report on both progress and challenges. Anderson's courage not only transformed his company but influenced the entire flooring industry, demonstrating how moral fortitude can drive systematic change.